Did you know that wealth disparity is increasing across the globe? It's not just about the numbers in your bank account, it's about patterns. Have you ever looked around and wondered, why do some people keep getting richer while others seem stuck, no matter how hard they work? In today's video, we're going to explore the hidden factors that contribute to this growing gap. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll understand what makes the difference, and more importantly, what you can do about it. Let's begin with something invisible but incredibly powerful, the mindset. Wealthy people often carry what's called an abundance mindset. They believe there are enough resources and opportunities out there for everyone. This mindset encourages risk-taking, creative thinking, and long-term planning. For example, a wealthy entrepreneur may look at a market gap and think, how can I turn this into a business? Meanwhile, someone with a scarcity mindset might focus only on what's lacking. I don't have money, I can't afford that, or people like me never succeed. These thoughts can become mental barriers that prevent someone from even trying. It's the difference between thinking, I can't afford this, versus, how can I afford this? That small shift opens up solutions rather than shutting down ideas. Now, mindset alone doesn't build wealth. It needs to be supported by something equally important, financial literacy. Think about it. Rich people learn early how money works. They understand investing, compounding interest, budgeting, taxes, and the power of multiple income streams. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He began learning about investments at the age of 11. Today, he's one of the richest people on earth, not because he won the lottery, but because he understood how to grow money over time. Contrast that with someone who never learned how to budget or invest. Maybe they work just as hard, but spend without planning or take on high-interest loans without understanding the consequences. The sad truth is that financial education is rarely taught in schools, especially in low-income areas. That means many grow up without the tools to build or protect wealth, even if they have the motivation. And even when someone has the right mindset and knowledge, there's another challenge: access to opportunity. Wealthy individuals are often surrounded by networks of people who open doors, whether it's a parent's connection that lands an internship, or access to capital to start a business. Imagine two young adults with the same level of talent. One has parents who help with college tuition and introduce them to mentors in the industry. The other is working two jobs just to survive and has never met someone who's run a successful business. Who do you think gets ahead faster? This isn't just about money, it's about exposure, access, and guidance. The rich are often raised in environments where conversations about money, strategy, and investing are normal. For the poor, those topics might seem foreign or even intimidating. All of this ties into the next major reason the gap widens: how money is used, especially through wealth-building systems. Rich people put their money into assets, things that generate income or appreciate over time. These include stocks, real estate, businesses, intellectual property, and even digital assets like online courses or NFTs. For example, someone might buy an apartment, rent it out, and earn passive income each month. Or they invest in the stock market, letting their money grow over the years through compounding. On the other hand, many poor or middle-class people focus on liabilities, cars, gadgets, clothing, things that lose value or generate monthly expenses. They might be spending most of their income just to stay afloat, with little left for savings or investment. It's not about blaming, it's about recognizing a pattern. When every dollar goes to survival, it's hard to think about building wealth. Closely related is the difference in behavior: consumers versus investors. Wealthy people think like investors. Before spending, they ask, will this make me more money? That could mean investing in a business, a course, or even a tool that increases productivity. Poor individuals are often stuck in a consumer mindset, focusing on spending money rather than multiplying it. When they get paid, the money often goes toward rent, food, bills, and if anything is left, it might be spent on short-term pleasures. Here's an example. Two people each get $1,000. One uses it to buy the latest phone. The other uses it to take an online course on digital marketing or start a small drop shipping business. 6 months later, one still has a phone. The other might have a growing source of income. That's investor thinking. A powerful illustration of all these ideas can be found in Robert Kiyosaki's famous book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. In the book, Kiyosaki describes how his biological father, Poor Dad, valued education and hard work, but focused only on job security and earning a salary. Meanwhile, his mentor, Rich Dad, emphasized financial education, owning assets, and building systems. Both men were intelligent. Both had strong values. But only one understood how to create lasting wealth. So, where does this leave us? The reasons why the rich keep getting richer while the poor remain stuck are deeply rooted. Mindset differences, unequal access to financial knowledge, opportunity gaps, habits around money, and whether people are focused on consumption or investment. But here's the good news. These patterns are not permanent. Yes, the system is unfair in many ways. But every day, people break out of the cycle. Not through luck, but by learning, changing their mindset, taking small steps, and seeking out the right opportunities. If you're watching this and you feel stuck financially, don't be discouraged. You have the power to change. Start by investing in yourself. Read books. Watch videos like this. Follow channels that teach personal finance. Take free online courses. Surround yourself with people who talk about growth, not gossip. Learn skills that can make you money, not just get you a job. Because the truth is, it's not how much money you have, it's what you do with it. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe to The Money Mindset, and turn on notifications for more content that helps you grow smarter, richer, and freer. Your financial future is not written yet, and it's never too late to rewrite the story. Let's break the cycle. Let's build wealth together.